This is my research paper related to my PhD thesis submission. It was published in IET Software, which is an SCI journal. The title of my paper is Integration of Artificial Intelligent Activities in Software Development Processes and Measuring Effectiveness of Integration. So what basically this paper deals with is the effort is to merge two activities. One is software development, the other one is HCI, human computer interaction. Both the life cycles, an effort to merge those life cycle is there. So here AI activities are integrated into the software development process for this mergers, and the various AI activities mentioned are intelligent agents, machine learning, knowledge representation, statistical modeling, probabilistic methods, fuzzy. Two metrics are used. One is UGAM, the other one is IOI. These are the metrics designed by Dr. Anit Joshi from IIT Mumbai. So one is usability goals achievement metrics, the other one is index of integration, and they were evaluated on 5 independent software projects. So here the introduction part speaks about waterfall model and importance of requirement and design gathering at the early stage, and so on and so forth. The literature survey refers a few HCI papers, few software engineering papers. And coming to the AI activities considered for merger into software development life cycle are intelligent agents, as mentioned initially, machine learning, knowledge representation, statistical modeling, search optimization, probabilistic methods, Turing test, fuzzy. So, and this is the proposal. This is the waterfall model, and typical phases of waterfall model are communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. And these are the AI activities, intelligent activities, which are added, say in communication, which involves ideation, product definition. So here flexible user studies are added. In planning aspect, intelligent estimation is done, optimal scheduling is done, online tracking is done. In modeling, statistical modeling is added, and in construction phase, coding using decision support system is added. So these are the aspects which are added to the typical waterfall model. Now similarly, this was in the waterfall model. For agile model, which again involves communication, releases, planning, testing, coding, design. So in communication, optimal policies are added. In releases, predictive initialization is added. In planning, optimal planning is added. In design, intelligent design is added. In coding, error tolerant decision support system is added. In testing, online acceptance testing is added. So you can see here the UGAM metric, usability goals achievement metrics. So, and these are the aspects under UGAM. So it is kind of how far the product goals have achieved these attributes of learnability, speed of use, flexibility, ease of use, intuitiveness, communication. satisfaction, all those aspects. So this is our UGAM, and what UGAM does is it measures the quality of software using experiences of the user. So it's a product matrix. It uses a scale of 0 to 100. 100 indicates the best user experience, 0 indicates the worst user experience. There are goal parameters which are user experience goals, which are further subdivided into sub-parameters. And this is how the UGAM score is calculated using this formula. Then there is one more matrix called as IOI, Index of Integration Matrix. How far integration of software processes with HCI activities are successful. And these are the attributes of IOI matrix: communication, contextual user studies, product definitions, multidisciplinary teams, usability evaluation, detailed UI prototyping. These are basically the various attributes, and this is how IOI measure is calculated. Now, here we have done a statistical analysis of UGAM scores and IOI scores. And what we have proposed is, we have proposed two models. One is a enhanced extended waterfall model. The other one is enhanced extended agile model. So basically what they indicate is, we have extended waterfall model merging waterfall model life cycle with HCI activities, and agile model indicates merging agile model with HCI activities. When I say modified or enhanced, we are speaking about we have integrated AI into software engineering processes, and there are 10 users or 10 developers, and from those 10 users or 10 developers, the values are calculated. The UGAM scores values and the IOI score values are collected, and for the 10 different users, the values are computed, and the values you can see are from 0 to 50, sorry, 10 to 50. Now, suppose that correlation is being calculated. Now, correlation of product 1 with other products, like that, product 2 with other products, product 3 with other products, like that. So we have multiple correlations, from correlation of product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and you can see here, if you look at the results, we have to look at table 4 for product 1 correlation. Product 2 are having negative correlation in terms of waterfall model with respect to IOI matrix. Let us look at table 4, wherein you have negative correlation of product 2 and negative correlation of product 3 with product 1 with respect to waterfall model and IOI, index of integration. And you can see the product 1 has correlation ratio of 81%, 85%, 88%, 83%, with products 2, 4, 5. If you look at UGAM based evaluation, there is a high positive correlation among the products. So it indicates what IOI has somewhat greater effects on projects that use agile process model rather than waterfall process model, considering table 1. If you look at this IOI agile combination, you have these percentages. So as compared to others, which is having lower percentage. Same thing is done for product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5. Now post that, correlation analysis among the metrics is done. So IOI metrics of agile and waterfall model, and the UGAM metric of agile and waterfall model. IOI metrics for both the models have negative correlation. So let us look at table 9, and you can see here IOI matrix is having negative correlation while UGAM matrix is showing high correlation. This means that waterfall and agile models have not much correlation in terms of IOI, index of integration, while UGAM have good correlation. Coming to correlation analysis among models, we know that there are two models here. One model is the enhanced waterfall model, the other one is enhanced agile model. And we have two metrics, IO and UGAM. Okay. So this table 10 shows the correlation among the models. Waterfall model has a negative correlation for both the metrics. Let us look at that. Negative correlation for both the metrics, at least with P2 and P3. While agile has good correlation, let us look at agile, and it has good correlation for both the metrics. What it indicates, agile model influences better performance among programmers as well as users due to the significant burst rate. Agile correlation shows nearly good correlation of 75%. So this is my paper.